One of the reasons why your payment declined for Facebook ads, or why your payment was not successful when you are trying to make payment on Facebook ads using your card, is that you have not yet verified your card for Facebook ad payment. And in this video, if you fall in the category, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can verify your card so that your payment will be successful on Facebook ad, step-by-step tutorial. But before I dive deep into tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content about Facebook ads, you'll be notified and you watch the video. So without further ado, so let's get started and see how you can verify your card payment so that your payment will be successful each time you want to pay on Facebook without any stress. So let's pay. So the first thing first is to have, all you have to do, I'm going to use my phone to do this. You can also use your PC or whatever device available from your hand. So all you have to do is to make sure you watch the step I'm taking in this video. So click on setting right here where you open up your Facebook ads. Then it takes you right here. So next thing you need to do is to go to payments right here. So it takes you right here. So at the point here, you can see some payment method are not verified. So as a result of this, your payment will not be successful each time you want to pay for Facebook ads. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is to click on verify payment method. You click on that, then you take you right here. So Facebook is going to take you right here, and Facebook is going to indicate the card that have issue. In case you have so many cards you are using to pay for ads on your phone, on Facebook. Okay, so you need to know what card that ends with the particular number that is signified by Facebook. So for you to verify the card successful, just tap on verify. Okay, after I click on verify, it takes you to where you need to fill in your detail and enter your OTP. Once you enter your OTP, your card will be successfully verified, and it takes you back right here, and then you can click on here now to add fund into the account, and then you follow the instruction on how you can successfully add fund into your account. So you can see it right here. So the card has been verified, and I can use this card to pay for Facebook ads. For you to pay, just type in the amount you want to pay, select your card, or select your card from here, or you use another means of payment and click on next, and then you enter your card detail and follow the prompt, and then your payment is going to be successful. So this is how you can verify your card payment on Facebook ads, step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.